Over here in this sheet, trim. Now let's say we have some name here, and and you can see we have some leading space, trailing space here. We want to look for Maya Singh. Do we have Maya Singh here? And we can use the function here called match lookup value this. I want to match Maya Singh here, an exact match, and it says no, I can't find it. Both of them can't find it. And it is Savita Gaba. We can't find them. But you would say I can see Maya Singh here, I can see Savita Gaba somewhere here. But why is that we are not able to find it? Because of these trailing spaces, clean leading spaces here. Now what we want to do is we want to trim this. Trim especially when you have not prepared the data and somebody else has prepared the data, you won't know where the spaces are. And we are trimming an array and enter, we get an answer here. Now when you trim an array, it will automatically put the chain brackets to your function. And you will only see the chain brackets in your formula bar. If you double click, you won't see the chain brackets. And what is 11? 11 is the row number. 9 is the row number. You have the answer here. So you can use the trim function to clean up these spaces. There is also some of these cleanup functions like clean, trim, that you can use in order to remove the non-printable characters. Sometimes when you copy the data, you have non-printable characters. Like for example, if I have line breaks and I press enter and I say, okay, maybe test Chand, and I have Nawab, right? So there are line breaks. And if I want to get rid of these line breaks, I can use clean function. And here we go, press enter. Here we go. We don't have these line breaks now. And some non-printable characters are also there, that when you copy the data from somewhere, you get the non-printable characters. So you can also get rid of those ASCII characters that get pasted along with your data. So clean function is used. You can also combine that with trim function. Right? So in order to clean up your data, clean up the data and get the result, and sometimes they can get you wrong answers if you have some leading spaces and trailing spaces, because leading spaces you can see, but what you cannot see is the trailing space. So trim function is very, very powerful.